Not approved, but we have seen the presentation today.
The head of Department for Oncology, Shillong Civil Hospital, Dr. Anisha Mawlong, has urged people to come forward for screening even as cancer is on the rise in the state. Addressing a press conference on Saturday, she pointed to the Meghalaya Cancer Prevention and Early Detection Mission, which is being initiated throughout the state in all districts to train staff for screening all eligible population for cancer. Dr. Mawlong expressed concern that people are still scared of being diagnosed with cancer. She said that the state of Meghalaya tops in esophageal cancers and comes second in head and neck cancer. She urged the public to get themselves screened at least once in 3 to 5 years.
Why? Because the government knows that cancer is a disease. I think this kind of mass screening has not been undertaken by any state. I don't think so. So I think our public should actually appreciate the government who is investing, on such a big initiative. Why? Because the government knows that cancer is a disease which is preventable if detected early, especially in our state.
The Don Bosco Youth